welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to show you how I make my frostbite lip gloss, period. So let's go ahead and get started. What you're going to want is your mixing bowl and a plastic spoon. Use your preferred lip gloss base. This is the one that I use. I absolutely love it. Everything is already pre-mixed, so you don't have to add additional oils if you choose not to. So I'm going to go ahead and start pouring it into my mixing bowl, and yeah, so I just eyeball it. I don't necessarily use measurements because it just all depends on how many tubes I plan on filling. Next, take your polyisobutene. This is completely optional, but I do use it, and just add a few drops in there, and this helps elevate your lip gloss, so it'll help make it extra shiny as well. All right, and then take your preferred flavoring oil. This one is the margarita scent from Get Suckered, and I'm just gonna add some drops into my base here. And once you're done with that, grab your holographic glitter. I am using this one from TKB Trading, and this is the silver glitter. So again, just go ahead and eyeball how much you want to pour into your base. And now you can go ahead and start getting ready to mix. So just take your time, make sure everything is nice and mixed together. You want to make sure everything is blended. All of the, if you add additional oils, make sure the oils are blended, make sure the glitter is blended. Now, once everything is combined together, this is the consistency that you want to see. Once it's like this, then your gloss is good to go. So I'm going to use this chunky glitter that I purchased off of Amazon. It came as a pack, so I'll leave it in the description down below if you're interested in purchasing it. But I absolutely love this. So I'm going to just take a decent amount, and I'm going to start putting this inside of my tubes and trying to spread it out as even as possible throughout my tubes. And once that's done, you can go ahead and fill up your syringe, and now we can begin filling our tubes. All right, here's the final look. I absolutely love this gloss. It's so pretty and it smells amazing. So I hope you enjoyed this video and stay tuned for more. Bye, babes.